1989 Cadillac Eldorado here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Three-owner vehicle. First owner actually drove this vehicle approximately 4,500 miles. The current owner bought it from the second owner, so we do know it's a three-owner vehicle. 4.5 liter underneath the hood, automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. As you can see here, classic Eldorado on that beautiful chrome grille. Take a look at the front end of this car. It'll also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures to be able to see the underside of this car, interior, engine bay, trunk. So we look at the spoked wheel covers, Eldorado style. Take a look down the passenger side of this vehicle. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. There's a few little spots where maybe there's a rock chip that's been touched up here or there. Of course, center console with bucket seats, kind of a camel leather interior. And 4.5 liter paired up with that automatic with overdrive, nice highway cruiser. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So we take a look at the vinyl top. Brown fabric or brown cloth, nice shape. Designer edition. Embroidered in it. See, it's not full of rips, tears, holes, anything like that. Doesn't really show much wear at all. Kind of what you'd expect. Odometer in this car reads 29,777. As we take a look down the driver's side, let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior. All right. Power seats, both sides, power windows, power locks. You can see very, very little wear on that seat. Now, one thing I want to show you. If you've watched the videos before, if I stand back here, right there, you get a true idea what color that interior is. Certain colors, burgundies, browns, greens and blues, sometimes depending on what shade they are, how dark, if I'm right on top of them, it's going to make them fade out. That right there, true color of this interior. What I'm talking about is if I come right up on top of the seat and get on top of it, it completely changes the color. That is not the color of the interior. Do it one more time for you so you can see. Step back. That is the color of the interior. Tilt column. And let's go ahead and fire this up. All right, so here's your exact miles. 29,977. AM, FM cassette player. Monitored system's okay. Driver's information center. Take a look at the top of the dash. Good shape. And headliner. That's going to need a little bit of TLC. It's quite common and can be fixed or replaced quite easily. Owner said to represent it the way it is, reflected in the price. That's what we're doing. Sounds as you would expect. I'm going to slip around to the front of this, and let's go ahead and pause this a second. I want to get this hood open so you can check out the engine bay. We'll go from there. There's the underside of the hood. Hood liner. Does not appear this car has really been driven in sort of inclement weather. And there it is. V8 power. Very clean, tidy engine bay. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC. Should have the AC blowing cold. 1989 Cadillac Eldorado in light beechwood metallic. 29,977 was it? Low miles, three-owner car. It's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call in 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1989 Cadillac Eldorado. Lots of digital features in this car. Giving us the outside temperature and the date and time down on the bottom here. We have the air conditioning blowing currently, and it is blowing cold. This car has less than 30,000 miles on it, which is impressive. Factory radio working well. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Telling us we have 13 gallons in the tank. Cruise control is working well. Nice smooth ride in this Cadillac. It is a smaller Cadillac. Still got that nice luxury ride. Soft leather seats, bucket seats in this car. This is an automatic on the center console. Letting go of the wheel, this car stays nice and straight in the lane. Brakes are working very well. We have multi-position power driver's seat in this car. Windows working. Nice different levers for the wipers. Sliding wheel for delay on the wipers. Cruise control switch up here. You can set it right on the steering wheel, or also on the steering wheel. Very nice, quiet ride. Two-door Cadillac. You definitely want to take a look at all the pictures and read about all the details at uniqueclassiccars.com.